Good morning, Afton. So far we've learned about high school is important so that you can explore yourself. You've done some career exploration on yourself through Missouri Connections and My Next Move. We've also done a little quiz. What we found from the quiz is that students who know a pathway already in high school or know what they don't want to do is they are more likely to finish up their post-secondary pathway in a timely manner and with less money. They also know what they need to do, whether or not it's a short-term training or if it's associates or bachelor's. So some of the ways that you need to know that is through exploring at high school, taking some courses that help you to see what you might want to do and if it's what you want to do. The first one is Project Lead the Way. It is a nationwide program that is hands-on activities where you do actually activities that you might do in college or beyond. One pathway we have within Project Lead the Way is computer science. This is computer science essentials, computer science principles, cybersecurity, and computer science A. That helps you to learn how to program and how to make the computer do what you want to do, whether it's a game or a new app. The next one is biomedical sciences. Principles of biomedical sciences would be the first course you would take. Some of you are maybe in that now. The next one is human body systems, medical interventions, and biomedical innovations. You learn all about different careers in the healthcare. Engineering is where you learn about how to solve problems and how to help other people. For example, maybe you want to design a new car or you want to do something with aerospace. That would be engineering. High School of Business is another program that we have. It is a nationwide program. It helps you with business management, own your own business, or if you are wanting to do anything majoring in business, these courses will help you with that. The first course is Principles of Business and Principles of Economics. Those are the two most important courses for you to give you a good foundation. There are other courses beyond that. South County Tech offers a variety of programs. You can see the different pathways that they offer. Skilled and technical trades such as automotive, heating and air, precision machining, information technology such as Cisco, graphic design, human services such as cosmetology, early childhood, culinary. They offer some healthcare, and they also offer vet tech, which is natural resources. The difference in tech is that you have to apply. It is across the county that people apply. They're going to look at your attendance, so they're wanting you to have 90% attendance, no discipline. They also will look at your GPA. Not everyone who applies will get into South Tech. STL CAPS stands for St. Louis Center for the Advanced Professional Studies. There is 5 strands. This is usually your senior year. Some of them could be your junior year, where you work with professionals and have internships inside of these particular programs. Global Business and Entrepreneurship is if you want to own your own business. If you're interested in marketing, again, if you're interested in anything with generally in business. Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing, Medicine and Healthcare, Technology Solutions, and the new one is Teaching Careers and Education. These are not offered on site. You would go to an off-site and be responsible for your own transportation. If there is something that we do not offer and you're interested in learning more about, we have MyPath, your senior year. As long as you're on track for graduation and you have at least a 2.5 cumulative GPA and good citizenship, you can develop your own course to explore what you want to do. Other career exploration courses we have at the high school. We have finance and actuarian, which would be accounting, business law if you're interested in finance. We do have an introductory to Child Development 1 and 2. If you're interested in the teaching career pathways, or if you're interested in taking the early childhood program at Tech, we highly recommend you take at least one of those courses at high school before you go into that. Culinary, We offer nutrition and wellness and international foods. The same thing if you're interested in the culinary program at Tech. It would be to your benefit to see if you're interested truly by taking nutrition and wellness and international foods. We also offer the marketing pathway, which is Marketing 1, Marketing 2, and Student Enterprises. Information technology, we offer graphic design. If you're interested in tech and going to graphic design, this is a semester course that might help you to see that you want to do that and give you some basic information. We offer web design and topics in computer science. Topics in computer science is where you get to develop more into a particular topic that you want to in computer science. Maybe you're interested in graphic design, or maybe you're interested in learning something new, a new program that we don't offer. We also offer fashion and interior design, fundamentals and advanced interior design. You don't necessarily have to take one particular program besides the Project Lead the Way. For example, if you're interested in being in interior design, it might be beneficial for you to take the fundamentals and advanced interior design, but maybe also civil engineering and architect inside of the engineering pathway. Or if you're interested in being an architect, taking civil engineering and design along with your art classes would help you. If you're wanting more information about any of these particular programs, you can contact Ms. Genta or myself, Mrs. Allen. There's also the links to the different programs inside the PowerPoint, which is shared with you.